What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel, The Anything Cook. Yes guys, it's me, Milan. I'm back. And you know what that means, guys. Today we'll be doing a meat dish, finally. I know you guys have been waiting for that. So today guys, I'll be making one of my personal favorites. It's a stuffed green pepper. Stuffed with a lamb mince, beautiful, delicious, and full of flavor. So I love the delicate flavor of the lamb, and it's very tender and it goes great with the flavor of the pepper. So guys, before we start, I just want to thank all our subscribers for all the support and love that they have shown us. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. It's been a long journey. We've reached that milestone, so thank you all so much for your support. And don't forget guys, keep smashing that like button, commenting and subscribing. Let's get started. So here are our first set of ingredients. So we have some Dhana Jeera powder. We have some Garam Masala powder. Now Garam Masala goes very well with lamb, so I always add more of that. Then we have our chili powder. We have our chili flakes, paprika powder, and turmeric powder. And as always guys, we will need salt and pepper. So for our hard spices, we have some cloves, some cinnamon sticks, some ginger and garlic paste, some fresh green chilies which I'm going to chop up and add, and we have some elachi pods. Okay, then our main ingredients. We have our fresh lamb mince. You can see that there's a bit of fat, but that's fine, we'll add to the flavor. Then we have 1 onion, some tomatoes. I'm using 2 because I'm using small jam tomatoes. Then we have our peppers. Now you can use green peppers, red peppers, whatever you prefer. I prefer using green peppers because the flavor goes nicely with the lamb, but you can use whatever you have. Okay guys, to our lamb, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 heaped teaspoon of garam masala, and I'm going to grind some fresh black pepper into it, just to give it that flavor. Enough. Then I'm going to add some garlic and ginger paste. The reason I'm adding so little, this was 1 teaspoon, is because we are still going to add some into the pot as well. Then you just give it a nice, mix it up nicely. And if you'd like guys, you can put a squeeze of lemon juice in there, fresh lemon juice, to bring out that flavor as well. So I am going to add some lemon juice. I didn't show it in the ingredients, it's optional, but I love the flavor that the lemon adds to the lamb. Okay, then just give it a nice quick stir. Okay, good, should be good to go. We can start on our spices. Okay, to our hot pot, we're going to add some oil. It's about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We're going to add our salt, 1 teaspoon of salt to the oil. This is 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala goes in. Tablespoon of paprika powder goes in. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of chili powder. That goes in. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes goes in. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 heaped teaspoon of Dhana Jeera powder. Then a heaped tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. These are my 2 fresh green chilies that I chopped up. That goes in. Okay, then we're going to put about 2 cinnamon sticks in. Putting 3 elachi pods in. Putting 3 cloves in. Oh guys, and I completely forgot curry leaves. Just the leaves from 1 stick of curry leaves. Okay, then we're just going to stir it up. It already smells good. So you fry up these spices for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to get that rawness out of the spices, you know. And just fry it until it becomes very aromatic, and then you can add your onions. Okay guys, the spices have been frying for about 2 minutes, so we can add our roughly chopped onions. Give it a nice mix. Okay, let's let the onions cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until they become soft. Okay, so I see that the onions have softened up nicely. It's very fragrant. So I'm going to add the mince now. Okay, so I'm just going to add all of the lamb mince. And we're going to stir that in nicely. Combine it with all the flavors, all the onions, all the spices, and that already smells great. Okay, I'm going to leave that to cook. Okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes that the lamb has been cooking. It's looking good. I think it's time to add our tomatoes. Okay, so we can add our chopped tomatoes, roughly chopped. These are 2 tomatoes. I added 2 tomatoes because they were small, but you can add 1 if you have bigger ones. And just stir it all in. This by itself is a nice meal, guys, but when combined with the peppers, it's delicious. Okay, so everything is stirred in now, everything looks good. Just leave it for about another 10 minutes, let it simmer, let the tomatoes cook. Alright guys, so while our lamb is cooking, I think we can prepare the peppers. So all you need to do is just cut off the top of the pepper. Cut the top off, comes right out. And then we're just going to scrape out the insides. So all of this white stuff makes the pepper bitter, so take as much of it out as you can. All the seeds, everything should come out. Just scrape out all that stuff inside. There we go, nice and clean pepper, ready to be stuffed. Okay guys, so the lamb looks ready, looks so delicious, full of flavor, and look at that color, gorgeous, and it smells divine. So what we're gonna do is stuff the peppers full of lamb and then steam the peppers. Okay guys, the mince is ready, and now we're going to stuff our peppers before we put the peppers in a pot filled with boiling water for them to steam. So I'm going to take these peppers, so we're going to stuff the peppers full of the lamb. It will give so much flavor to the peppers. There we go. It's one done. Okay, now we're just going to place our peppers into a pan. Then we're going to fill the pan with some boiling water. Then we're just going to boil it on medium heat until the peppers are nice and soft. Okay guys, seems like the peppers are now ready. They're nice and soft to the touch. If you like them a bit more soft or a bit more firm, you can take them out sooner or later. It's all up to you, but I like mine to have a bit of texture. So I think this for me is perfect. So we're going to take it off and we are now ready to serve. Alright guys, so the peppers look ready, they look delicious, and I'm going to taste this. Now that is good. Right guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe. See you next time.